A very good morning to all of you. Before I talk about who is ideally to be our Prime Minister, I would like to talk about what is politics. A literal meaning of the politics is a controlled, organized control over the human community. But in my opinion, the real meaning of politics is the selfless job of most philanthropic work where we are spending the entire life of ours for the well-being of our country and the country people. For a country like India, the meaning of the politics started when we got the independence, when our great grand leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, and many more had taken over command over India. These great leaders must not have dreamt that the meaning of the politics will change in just 6 decades. They are the leaders who had ideally be the most respectful and trustworthy. People used to worship them. They used to keep their photos in their room. But now the time has come when people are actually slapping anytime. Any person can slap over politicians. So under this scenario, if I have to choose, then I'll straight away go with Narendra Modi, because he might not be the best, but he is the best out of the rest. I'll not talk about my opinion. I'm talk about the facts. Gujarat, it's clearly shown the success of the Narendra Modi by the success of the Gujarat. 5% of the population of India is in Gujarat, but it shows quarter of our export what entire India does. When entire India was hitting by recession, this Gujarat was giving job opportunities. Infrastructure, manufacturing facilities, GDP growth rate, all has improved. Poverty line has reduced. Where on the other side, if I talk about Arvind Kejriwal, he might be a good person, clean by heart, mind, but definitely he is not right now capable to handle a responsible post like Prime Minister. He is not strong enough to handle the politics right now. He has to struggle more. So at the end, I'll say, please don't waste your vote and go ahead and vote for Narendra Modi. Thank you so much.